Hey guys, welcome. Subscribe and turn on bell notification. Thank you. Another notification from Osmania University for the students and the staff principal. It is the notification regarding the payment of the examinations fee and submission of application form at their respective colleges. So for all the semester for ISET, 4th and CBCS, all semester non-CBCS, the date for the given. So here's the date regarding the detailed timetable will be issued in the due course. Following is the schedule for payment of examination fee and submission of examination application form at the office of the concerned principal of respective colleges. So for student, payment of examination fee and submission of examination application form at the respective colleges is without late fee is 12/6/2020 and with late fee is 200 is 15/6. All papers per the semester is rupees 2000. So and next is for the colleges, remuneration of consolidated examination fee in favor of the examination OU exam fee AC. So this is 15/6/2020 to 16/6/2020. The examination fee up to 4 papers is 1200. For 8 SEM student need to pay an additional fee for provisional consolidated memo and migrant certificate is rupees 925. So here's an special instructions for the principals for the login ID case of remittent OU and funds and that the SBI all is there, and here's is all the conditions for this, the payment and all for this examination. So this is has come. Examination application form will be accepted without fulfilling the above, will not be accepted without fulfilling the above condition. Controller of examinations, the principal, CBIT, VCE, DSET, MJSET, MVSR, Islamia, Stanley, Methodist, Swati, Matrusuri, NGIT, Lords, Nawab Shala, all these colleges to principal it is regarded. So you tell about this. This is a sad news regarding the payment of the examination fee and application form for the students. So tell what you think about this, and are you ready for the exams and all? Tell in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe our channel, press bell notification. Thank you for watching.